I'm going to do the adjustment.
Okay.
Okay, and just relax. Relax.
Oh,
Is it okay?
yeah, okay.
Okay, now
No.
go another side.
Maybe there was a sound.
Straighten this way, bend this way. Okay. Now bring your body forward a bit. Okay, good. Then behind. Okay, good. Straighten this heel, be straight with your body. Okay, relax now. Okay. Okay, come, sit down.